Welcome. In front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I will show you how you can enable or disable nearby sharing. So you have to simply open the settings at the first, then go for the system, pick share experience, and as you can see here we got our nearby sharing feature. So to enable, just tap on this feature and turn it on, and if you want to disable, just turn it off. And of course, when we activate this option, we can set up who can receive or share the content to us or from us. So I selected everyone nearby, but we can also switch to my devices only. So we have to decide what you want to get, and of course we will save files that we receive to C user Sky downloads in my case, but for sure you can change it just like that. You can make it straight to the desktop, or but you have to select the folder. So you don't even have to, so it will be straight saved to your desktop. And as you can see, that's how it looks. And if you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.